Good morning, everybody. My name is Arif from C1A. Now, before we move on to the presentation, uh, now, do you know a squid slash octopus have a unique part of their body, such as octopus have 8 brains in total, and how much heart does octopus slash squid has? 3 hearts in total. Isn't that exciting? Now, let's move on to the first part of the unique biology. You see this? This is the blue blood. Now, where this blue blood comes? Generally, as a human, we know that human or animal mammals have a red blood, but actually, the name of the blood is hemoglobin, indicating that it have a iron in it. In the red cell blood, have iron. But meanwhile, the blue blood have this thing called hemocyanin, if I'm not wrong. So what does it does? It has copper in it, so that's why it's blue. So it's actually apparently the blue blood is use of it is for the deep sea creature only, which means the depth of the sea have low oxygen concentration, which means they need to work harder to get oxygen from down there. So that's why the blue blood is developed to actually take more oxygen from it. So it carries less oxygen. Meanwhile, the red blood carries more oxygen. That's the difference between it. That's the general knowledge of it. Now let's move on. This is a heart of octopus slash squid. So how many heart does it have? Yes, it has 3 in total. But the main one is here, the symmetrical heart. This is the branchial heart. When the main one, the symmetrical heart, it brings all the blue blood throughout the body. When meanwhile the branchial heart is just for supporting it. But the unique thing is if one of the branchial heart dies or non-functional, it will die soon enough. I just say that. Now this is the giant squid. You see how big it is? Do you want to see the eye of it? Just the eye. See? The eye is the size of a soccer ball. Very big. Now next. This is a colossal squid. You can tell the difference, right? So the difference is they have a little bit because same species but a different variety of it. So let's see uh, the uniqueness of each of these species. This one have a suckle that have have a lot of teeth. This one is for the giant squid. Imagine if it lash on your hand, it will be a painful memories, my friend. Now let's move on to the colossal squid. What's the difference? Yes, as you can see, the squid of the colossal squid tentacle have this hook that will grab into you and make sure you never getting anywhere else. Now, this is a squid fish. It's where it all began. So, these squid, they have this trait, which is called semipaurus, which means when they mate, they will die soon or later. So this is Nautilida. It's Itopaurus, which means they're from the same species, but the difference is Itopaurus, which means they can mate a few times more than a squid. They can mate as much as they want, I suppose, like that. Now this is the giant Pacific octopus. This giant squid, first of all, they come from an egg, and then when they go to adulthood, they will mate, of course. But this is where the part come slash squid. All right. So when a mother octopus have egg in it, they will go under the rock to lay an egg. So when they lay egg, they will protect the egg with their life. When they protect it, you see, it's not an easy path because the mother will not eat, will not do anything, just protect it until the day they die. Some species of octopus that actually protect the egg until this 36 months, if I'm not wrong. So what does this octopus slash squid teach us? To appreciate your parents. Why? They have sacrificed their life to you. Tell me, would the other would sacrifice their life to you? No, no, no one. Except for your family, your specifically your parent and your father. So please, after this, after you heard my speech, I hope you value and appreciate everyone around you, especially your mother and your father. Do you know how much pain they've gone through just to raise you? Take care of your mother and father while they're still alive. That's all from me. Thank you very much.